If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase with the ticker symbol COIN. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Coinbase, and I've been following it for a while now. Looks like we had a downtrend for a very long time, and you can see that there was a large sell-off all the way since November of last year, which I can connect the swings and create a channel. So it looks like this was the downtrend channel in play. This is fitting pretty well against the price action. Now what occurred was a breakout of the pattern right over here on early August. So most breakouts will fail, and since this is a breakout of a channel, I'm expecting a retest of these prior lows at the $40 level and maybe even exceeding that. You can see that price action moving sideways for a few months before doing that breakout. It was stuck within the support of, looks like the $40, actually the $50 level. Let me drag this down. Looks like the support was around the $45 level, resistance at the $77 level. Price action broke out the same size as the range it was before, and you can see that we doubled the range. We pretty much closed right back inside the same width of the range, and now we're selling off. We got back below the EMA, which is not a good sign. It looks like they're targeting the $62 level and probably the pattern completion target of the $40 level. So those are my two targets as right now. Does not look good that we got rejected and broke through that EMA pretty easily. Now we're starting to sell off. So could we get another large leg up? That's possible, but I'm just not seeing it, and I wouldn't expect it to occur. It looks like I'm pretty sure they're just gonna continue to drop this market. So I'll be expecting lower prices for Coinbase until the pattern is complete. Once we reach around that $40 level, we could expect the price action to slow down and get more quiet, meaning we're probably not going to see that many more aggressive sellers because the pattern is complete, and we could probably see maybe some buyers, aggressive buyers, step in and drive the price up. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, you can see that we broke below the EMA. I'm looking for lower price targets because we got rejected from this breakout at the $105 level. We fell back inside of the original range right over here, and still looks like we're continuing lower. So I'll be expecting lower prices, and we can go wrap this up on the weekly chart. Before we go on to the weekly chart, I forgot to mention is that since I believe Bitcoin and a lot of other cryptocurrencies is going to drop, it would just make sense that Coinbase would also follow cryptocurrencies. And here we have the weekly chart for Coinbase. Not a lot of price action because it IPO'd last year in April, and you can see that we've been going down ever since it IPO'd. We did get rejected from the EMA 3 times. If I zoom in on the chart, you can see that this was the second time right here, and we just got rejected again the third time. So since we're below the EMA, this does not tell me we are in an uptrend. So this is not a buy the dip opportunity. This is sell the rip opportunities. You want to sell the rallies in this downtrend. So until the pattern is complete, which I'm thinking is around that $40 level, we're probably going to continue to see selling. So we just got rejected from the EMA. I'm looking for lower price targets. Could we get another leg up? Possibly something like this right here, where we see that impulse that we just got, and we're right now in pullback. Can we see another large leg up and retest that breakout at the 160 level? That's a possibility. That's really not a good sign, because now I'm still expecting a retest of these lows even if we do see a large pullback. So this would just drag out this bear market that we're in. You'd rather just have the market get to these lower price levels it wants to as soon as possible, so then you can just see the price rally instead of just have this slow grind up and then a dump back down to lows. Now if we do see these two legs up, I was still expecting continuation to the downside, because this just looks like a bigger pullback. If I do a Fibonacci retracement from this high point to the low point, you can see that we can retrace back to the 163 level, and that's still a 382 retracement, meaning that's still a correction territory for this downtrend. So that's not what you want to see. You want to see the market go to the lower price levels as soon as possible, so the market can at least bottom or reverse. So it's, for example, you can see that we've been dropping since the $400 level. Or wouldn't you rather have price action go to the $40 level in a week, or $40 level within a year and a half? So that's what I'm saying. Like, you want to drag out, or you want to get to the lower price levels, which most likely it's going to anyway. So it's the same thing right here. Would you rather see this pullback right here, or would you rather just have the market go down? Because it took, I can use my measuring tool, and it took from the 245 level back to the 245 level, it took 91 days to come back to where it was after this pop-up. So looks like we're going to see lower price targets. I would not be expecting any reversals as right now, but maybe one day this stock will be a runner. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised on what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.